In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the transmission fluid in any vehicle. Doesn't matter if it's Ford, Chrysler, Volvo, BMW, Porsche, Audi, does not matter. This method will work in any vehicle that you can change the transmission fluid in. Now all you need is a fill hole or a dipstick. Now a lot of transmissions are sealed. That doesn't mean you can't change the fluid. My method, you can stick the tube down in your dipstick or down in the fill hole, and we're going to extract the fluid out, and then we can also pump it back in. Now just because your vehicle says it has lifetime fluid, all that means is the fluid lasts the lifetime of the transmission, whether that's 50,000 or 150,000 miles. All transmission fluid needs to be changed if you want that transmission to last a long time and work without any problem. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to change any transmission fluid in any vehicle. Quick and easy and clean. So the tool that's going to allow us to do this job is a fluid extraction pump. This is what it looks like. It's going to suck fluid out of your transmission, and then we can just place our new bottles next to the vehicle and we can suck out new transmission fluid right back into the transmission. Now you can get an electric version of these that will plug into a wall. Mine uses a 12-volt battery, so I can just use a small lawnmower battery. That makes this a lot more portable. Disconnect the positive to the positive, negative to negative on the battery terminals, and then you have an on switch right there, and then it's going to start extracting the fluid. All right guys, so I found the fill plug to this transmission. Right here's the fill plug. I popped that out. You just got to pay attention to the direction arrow on the pump. So it's going to flow this way. So it's going to suck fluid out. I got it connected to my lawnmower battery. You're going to make sure that this hose is connected to something because there's a lot of pressure and it will just fly out of there if you don't have it connected. I'm going to turn it on. And now it's pumping out all my transmission fluid. So as you can see up in there, that's where I found my transmission fill plug. And I just stuck the hose all the way down in there till it hit bottom. Now it's very important that you have a graduated bucket because you want to know exactly how much you pumped out because that's exactly how much we're going to put back in. As you can see, it's very important to have a graduated bucket so you know how much fluid comes out. We've pumped out exactly 5.5 quarts. So we're going to put in 5.5 quarts. So now we're just going to do the opposite, guys. I've got the hose down in the bottles. I've got the other end of the hose going into the fill of the transmission. And now we're just going to suck the new fluid right into the transmission. Once one's empty, just stick the hose down in the next one. Simple. Going right up into the transmission. Look at that nice bright red fluid. And that's all there is to it, guys. That fluid extraction pump is only like $30, $40. You can use it on lawnmowers, snow blowers, cars. You can use it in rear differentials. You can use it in just about anything that you can get that tube down into and extract the fluid and pump new fluid into. Hope your vehicle lasts a long time and this helped you out. Thanks for watching.